What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, I'm Wechi. I'm here to show you guys how to make money online, how to improve your income in 2022. So I mostly talk about Amazon in this channel, or any other side hustle, anything that you can make money off. I talk on this channel, but today I'm gonna talk about Amazon, how to send your inventory to Amazon, basically how to send like multiple SKU on Amazon. I mostly sell books on Amazon, but when I first started I had issue on how to send like multiple SKU in one box, so I didn't know how to do it. I know I struggle with this, and I know like some people might struggling with the same thing, so that's why I'm recording this video for you guys, so you guys can get it through and you don't have to struggle, you don't have to overthink, because it's easier than you think. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below if you have any question. I'll be more than happy to help you guys. Doing a giveaway. So the last video I put the code, so you guys need to enter the code. So by the end of this month, or at the beginning of next month, I'll be choosing a winner for the $25 gift card. So the code will be in the middle of the video. Make sure you watch this video until the end. So let's get right into today's video. Alright guys, I know you guys might see me with I started on this process in like today's Sunday. I started this process on Friday night, so I finished I started this process on Saturday night, so I finished this process this morning because it was a lot of books, so I only show you guys a few of them because I couldn't keep recording and this video will be too long. So that's why you guys may see me with a different clothes or whatever, and I was a little bit tired, so I had to work and all day so I can get all the order done so I can pack and ship them by Amazon. So basically everything you see, that's all the process you need to take in order to send your inventory to Amazon. After that, the only thing you will have to do is pick up the package or drop them at a UPS, then they'll take it to the whatever the warehouse Amazon desire, whatever the address they give you. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy everything or learn anything new today. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and comment down below if you have any question. So here, my Instagram right here, you guys can always contact me and text me if you have any question. I can answer privately. And also, if you need help to open your Amazon account, you can always contact me also in this Instagram. I'll help you guys out or schedule a Zoom meeting for you guys to help you, because I want to build this community. I want to build this community with you guys. So let's get the money together.